Hello students, I am Priyanka. I am going to teach you computer. In our previous classes, we have learnt about computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. We also learnt about manual machine, automatic machine. What is a manual machine? Manual machine needs a human effort. Then we learned about automatic machine. What is an automatic machine? Automatic machine runs on fuel or electricity. Then we learned what are the uses of computer, places where do we use the computer, like home, school, office, bank, stations, airport, etc. Then we learned about the benefits of computer. What are the benefits of computer? We can listen music, we can play games, we can draw pictures, we can order our food online, we can do online shopping, we can plan for our holidays, etc. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 2. Parts of a computer. Now we have learned that computer is an electronic machine. Now we will learn what are the parts of computer. Like our body have many parts, like hands, ears, eyes, nose, tongue, skin, legs. Our body is made up of various parts. Same in that way, a computer is also made of different parts. A computer is also made of different parts, like in our body, each part has separate job to do. हर part का अलग अलग work होता है. In that way, computer parts also have some works to do. Like in our body, our eyes help us to see. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Our ears help us to hear. Tongue help us to taste. Hand help us to walk. Legs help us to jump, walk. In that way, in that way, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर के भी हर पार्ट्स का अलग अलग वर्क होता है. Each part has different jobs to do. Let's learn what are the parts of the computer and what the work they have to do. First, we will learn about the monitor. See, this is the picture of a computer. Each computer has a different part. This is called as monitor. Monitor. This is called as CPU box. This is mouse. This is keyboard. This is speaker. Now first let's learn in detail. First is monitor. What is a monitor? Whatever the work we do, what if we draw anything, that is shown on monitor. This part of computer looks like a TV or television. Have you ever seen a TV, television? That box is just look like a monitor. Okay, this part is look like a TV or television. Now what we can do on the monitor? We can watch movies. Do you like cartoons? Yes. We can see the cartoon also on the monitor. We can draw. We can draw anything like in copy we draw. In the same way we can draw on the monitor. Okay? It shows that whatever the work we do, that is shown by monitor. Then come to the next part, keyboard. Keyboard. A keyboard have many keys. See, many keys means there are many buttons. These kinds of, this is a keyboard. There are many buttons on the keyboard. Now what buttons? Do you know how many alphabets are English have? How many alphabets are there in the English? There are 26 alphabets from A to Z. So a keyboard have A to Z keys or buttons on the keyboard. Then number, it also have the numbers from 1 to 0, 1 to 9 and 0 on the keyboard. Now what is the use of keyboard? How do you write in the copy? You write by pen. But in the computer, how you would write? You would write it with the help of keyboard. So keyboard is used for typing. Keyboard is used for typing on the monitor. Okay. Then it have many keys, many buttons. When we press any button, suppose we will press the A. Suppose on this key A is written here. A is written. If we would press the A key, then what will be typed on the computer or monitor? The A will be typed on the monitor. Okay. And if you will press the number 9 key, then 9 would be typed on monitor. Okay. Then next is mouse. Next is mouse. What is a mouse? Mouse is an animal in our house now, we see. So mouse is named after an animal. It's just like a mouse. Then a mouse runs here, there. Mouse is just like an mouse is named after an animal. What is the use of it? Mouse is help to when we move a mouse here, there, a pointer moves on the monitor, a arrow will move on the monitor here, there. If we will move the mouse on the right side, this arrow will move on the monitor to the right side. And if we will move the mouse to the left side, then this arrow will move to the left side. What is the use of mouse? It is used for playing games. It is used for playing games and draw pictures. Mouse is used to play games and draw pictures. Then next part is CPU. What is the full name of it? It is the full name of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The full name of CPU is Central Processing Unit. What it is? It is also called the brain of computer. The brain of computer, like we have our brain which helps to us to think. In that way our CPU is also help us computer to think and to work. How the computer will work? It directs the computer to how it will work. Okay. Then next part is speakers. Speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Speaker. What is the use of it? Do you listen music or sound on computer? How we can listen music and sound on computer? We can listen music and sound on computer with the help of speaker. With the help of a speaker, we can listen any sound or music that is stored on a computer. Okay. and they usually come in pair. They usually come in pair. They do not come in alone. They usually come in pair. Okay. Then next is headphone. Next part of computer is headphone. Headphone is just like this. Headphone is also used for listening music and sound. But what is the difference between headphone and speaker? This is speaker and this is headphone. When we listen music from speaker, all people, those who are nearing, they can also listen. But when we are listening with headphone, only we can listen from headphone. We are not disturbing others. We only the people who are wearing this headphone, they only can listen the music from headphone. Okay. Like this earphone I am having, only I can listen music when I am using this. Okay. Then next part is joystick. Next part of computer is joystick. Joystick what? What is it? It is used for playing games on a computer. Joystick is used for playing games on computer. We can control the mouse pointer or this arrow from joystick also. Then next part is printer. Next part is printer. What is the use of printer? Suppose we have typed with the help of keyboard on the monitor. Now we want that should be like this on printed on paper. जो भी वर्क हमने किया है उसको हम पेपर पे लेना चाहते हैं और प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं. Then how it will happen? It will happen with the help of printer. Okay, so with the help of printer we can print our work on the paper. Okay student, now we have learned the various parts of computer. Let's quickly revise them. First is monitor. Monitor looks like a television. Whatever the work we do, we can see on the monitor. Then second part was keyboard. A keyboard have many buttons or keys by which we can type on the monitor. So keyboard is used for typing. Then next part is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used for playing games and draw pictures. And it is also used for moving the mouse pointer. Okay. Then next part was CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is called as brain of computer. It helps computer to think and to work. Okay. Then next part was speaker. Speaker is used to listen sound, music that is stored on computer. Then next part was headphone. Headphone is also used for listen sound and music without disturbing others. Okay. Then next part was joystick. Joystick is used for playing games. Then last part was we learned the printer. What is the use of it? Printer is used for printing our work on the paper. Okay students, with this we finish our chapter parts of computer. I hope you have understood well. Okay, now thank you. In your next video I will read the chapter for you. Okay, thank you.